I am hungry for a little snack, so we've got here some baking powder, and now we're gonna put in some brown sugar. There we go. And now some flour. So basically I'm making a super quick like cup cake that you can make in the microwave. And now we're gonna put in some salt and some sprinkles because it makes it happy and fun. And then we're gonna put in some pumpkin pie spice. And mix it up. There we go. Mix and mix and mix. And we just put in some olive oil. And some soy milk. Mix it up here. And then what's really nice about this is you just microwave it. And how you want to do that is you put it in the microwave and you set it for 4 minutes. Let it go. When it stops, you let it sit in the microwave for about 1 minute, and then you cook it for another 3 minutes in the microwave. And you have a delicious, super easy cupcake. And there you go. 4 minutes, and we're off.